Hello, awesome students. Today's lesson is value-added tax. Lesson 1, which is registration. After today's lesson, you will be able to know: what is value-added tax? Who is required to register for value-added tax? What is value-added tax? Value-added tax is also called VAT, and you normally see it on a till slip. For example, after buying a chocolate, you will get a till slip showing the VAT amount. VAT is an indirect system of taxation, where a taxpayer does not pay tax directly to SARS, but via the VAT vendor. VAT is charged on the supply of goods or services in our country. Registration requirements. A person must carry on an enterprise on a continuous basis. Please note, this must not be a hobby or once-off transaction. Let's define an enterprise. An enterprise is any activity carried on continuously or regularly in the Republic of South Africa or partly in the Republic. For example, having a permanent stand that sells chocolate on a continuous basis and not once off. Who needs to register for VAT? There are two types of VAT registration: voluntary registration and compulsory registration. Voluntary registration conditions are as follows: your sales must exceed 50,000 rands in the preceding 12-month period, or your sales must be reasonably expected to meet the threshold of 50,000 rands after a period of 12 months in terms of regulations. Compulsory registration. It is compulsory to register when your sales exceeded 1 million rands in the last 12 months. It is also compulsory to register if your sales is expected to exceed 1 million rands, example if there is a signed contract stipulating so. This was effective from 1st of April 2014. When the sales of a non-resident supplier of certain electronic services and intermediaries exceeds 1 million rands, this was effecting from 1st of April 2019. And that concludes Lesson 1 of Value-Added Tax. Looking forward to Lesson 2.